Hello, today I want to show you how you're able to make a currency field mandatory. For my example, I have added 2 fields in order to create a new account. For this example, let's say you want to make sure your user enters an annual revenue. Let's save and preview. So I will come up with a name. And let's see what happens if I do not enter the annual revenue. Let's look at Salesforce, and we see that I was able to create that new account. But again, you want to make sure your user enters an annual revenue. So let's make this field mandatory. Click on your field and then select settings, interactivity, and check off mandatory. Now let's save and preview. Let's try to create the account without entering anything for the annual revenue. We will give it a name. And let's see what happens if I do not enter anything for annual revenue. Now I get a message reminding me that the annual revenue field is mandatory, and it won't allow me to create that account. Let's enter an amount. And let's look at Salesforce. Now we see that I was able to create the account after entering the annual revenue. Again, this is how you make a currency field mandatory.